Hey everyone, we're back in the Jeep here, doing a quick drive. Got an announcement here. Basically, I am going to be having a 2.5-inch lift installed, a EVO lift. It's their budget system, just mostly a spacer lift, shock extension, stuff like that. But I'm looking to get that installed here, hopefully in the next couple weeks. So keep the stock tire or wheels, and then I'm just going to swap in likely some 315 7017s. It's not necessarily a true 35, but I kind of want to keep the ride quality as close to stock as possible. I don't want to really absolutely destroy that. So probably the same tires, probably the BF Goodrich KO2s, all-terrains. Be on the lookout for that. Pretty excited. Hoping the small lift doesn't mess up the ride quality too bad and destroy the gas mileage, but we'll see. This is a sport, so I do have the 345 gearing. I don't suspect with the 8-speed I'll have too much of an issue with that, but we're gonna find out. So I just noticed, just crossed over 1,000 miles. So with that, I'll end this video, and yeah, be on the lookout for some more updates.